Hey everyone, Gil here of Grayman Prepping. In today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something that, does not apply to everybody here. It doesn't apply to me because I do not have pets. So if you have a pet, whether it's a cat, dog, goldfish, lizards, iguanas, whatever it is, birds, cockatiels, parakeets, whatever, you got to have supplies for the pets. That includes medical supplies, that includes food, that includes sanitation supplies. If you have all right, hamsters, guinea pigs, mice, any type of rodent like that, even certain snakes and lizards, stuff, like to have some sort of bedding that can be changed out that will absorb their excrements, pee and poop, and make it easier to keep their habitat clean and healthy for them. So you need to look into what exactly that pet actually needs to stay healthy. Some animals need to have extra minerals and vitamins that you normally wouldn't consider. Others need to have protection from other pests, such as fleas, ticks, lice. Then there are mites and stuff that affect other ones. So there's each type of pet has a different type of environment that you need to take care of, and you need to have supplies to take care of that environment. So think about it. Think about more than what you're doing currently for your pet. Make sure you know everything that pet actually needs. All right. As for yourself, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill like proper care of your animals, and grow more food, because what's in the grocery store is not as healthy as you think it is.